Layoff posts are everywhere, right? If you're one of those people refreshing your email every single morning, just waiting for bad news, this video is for you. Here's how to use AI to beat that layoff anxiety by building a solid backup plan. First, get a clear picture of your reality. Write down your job title, your skills, your income, and your monthly expenses. Figure out exactly how long your savings would last if your paycheck stopped tomorrow. Next, it's time to ask AI for a backup plan. Go to your favorite AI tool and type this prompt. Act as a strategist. My job is your role. My main skills are your skills. Yeah. Here's my monthly income and my basic expenses. If I got laid off, give me a 60-day emergency plan to bring in money using my skills, including freelance or remote options. Finally, and this is the most important part, start one piece of that plan right now. Ask the AI, which part of this plan can I start this week while I'm still employed? Then do it. Don't wait until it's too late. If you want more real talk about layoffs, income, and AI, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.